Let's learn how to send videos from your camera roll or your photo gallery as snaps in the Snapchat application. The process is absolutely the same on both iPhone and Android devices, so if you're an Android user, just follow my steps. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. If Snapchat is updated, you can open it, and then we'll record a simple little video. You can record it for a second or two, and don't worry, we'll delete this later. You will see a little plus button at the left side of your screen, and that's what you want to click on. When you click on that button, it's going to open this specific interface on our screen, and we have to find this little camera roll button at the right side. It will say Import Media or something similar. When I tap on that button, my camera roll will open, and I just need to find my video, which I want to send as a snap. When we import our video from the camera roll, we will select the first video and then delete it. After that, we will tap on the preview button, and we can then easily send this video as a snap. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.